Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X5 remote key battery. First, ensure you have the correct replacement battery, typically a CR2032. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool. Familiarize yourself with your key fob's design to locate the emergency key and the seam where the two halves meet. This preparation makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button, usually on the side or back, and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you will see a small slot or seam. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this seam and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Finally, test your remote key functions, such as locking and unlocking your BMW X5, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.